Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we did a simulation of the ultra high performance concrete here. This is the ultra high performance. You can see the example here. Ultra high performance concrete beam column joint reinforced with steel reinforcement. Here these are the steel reinforcement. Also let me use this option, the steel angle with bolts. See, this is the inside of the column. We used this steel angle and plates and bolts to make here more stronger against the tension or tensile damage here. See that? Let me check it here. Let me now apply or input all the loads, and here click on animate to check the tension damage. See, the tension damage happen here. It should be happen first here, but we used this reinforcement, so happen here instead here. So we made here more stronger than the middle. See here. Now let me replace just the concrete here, compression damage, plastic strain, stiffness degradation, stress. Now let me replace all, remove the concrete, see, and let me replace, for instance, replace here, here, see here. This is the stress which is come from the uh, bending, and here we have shear stress, and you can see that we have a good resistance here when we use steel angle as the, let me check it in this view, see, as the reinforcement for the concrete. I did another model here and I use a strain damage. See, when we use a strain damage, we have element failure here at the beam, but the joint have a better situation than the beam. Let me use, for instance, tensile strength, tensile damage. Click on animate. See the tension damage. Here, the failure happen here, and this is the last view. Now let me remove first here, 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 all this, and replace the plate and bolts. Here, click on animate. This is the final view. See, the stress in this members is not too much. Let me check the damage. See, the ductile damage happen around 2-3% here at the steel angle, and the bolts we can say it is nothing. Also the displacement and the stress, but here see we have huge damage in the beam out of the around the steel angle, not here. So let me draw the force displacement diagram for it. This is the reaction force, name is RF, displacement name is U, save. Force displacement diagram without damage. Without damage, already I draw the damage a lot. You can see the red is the model that we use strain damage and element dilation. In the second, we didn't use the damage. We just used tensile and compression damage, but here fully damaged behavior. See, the diagram is the same till here at the maximum, and after that we have decrease in capacity more in the model with the damage behavior here. This is okay. So if you want to model the ultra high performance concrete beam reinforced with a steel angle and bolts under the axial load to find the maximum force capacity, you can come to our website here abaqusfm.com, find English tutorial here. This is a title, click on title, then you will have the geometry step interaction and load, and then the result as figures here. So the cost for the CAIMP English video file and reference for the material is 30 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard. Just send me an email to get this full tutorial. Here we have also a full package containing more than 400 tutorials about all things in Abaqus, simulation and modeling, step by step. For instance, we have here explosion at all method, impact for all material, welding, biomechanics, forming, crack, soil, CFD, fluid structure interaction, thermal structure analysis, anything. You can see that here. So if you want also this full package and also affordable package, contact me to this email here. Then I will tell you about the purchasing process and the materials in the package, and you can ask any question regarding to this. Thank you for your attention.